Did you know that when you delete an app from your phone, it might not actually be gone? You press uninstall, the icon disappears, and you think your storage is clean, but hidden app files could still be sitting inside your phone. Today, I'll show you the correct way to completely remove apps, delete leftover files, and free up extra storage in just a few simple steps. Let's fix your phone storage right now. Most people delete apps by simply pressing and holding the app icon and choosing uninstall. Yes, the app disappears, but many apps leave behind old data, folders, and temporary files. Over time, these leftover files can take up space and make your phone feel slower. So here is the proper method. Step 1. Find the app you want to remove. First, open your phone settings. Now tap apps. You will see a list of every app installed on your phone. Find the app you no longer need and tap on it. Step 2. Remove hidden app data first. Before uninstalling the app, don't press uninstall yet. Tap storage. Here you will see how much space the app is using. Now tap clear data. Your phone will show a warning saying that all app data, files, settings, and accounts will be removed. Tap OK. This step removes the hidden information the app saved on your phone. Step 3. Now tap Clear Cache. Cache files are temporary files created while using the app. Removing them helps free up extra storage. Step 4. Now go back to the app information page. This time tap Uninstall. Confirm the removal. Now the app is deleted together with the stored data. No leftover files, no unnecessary folders, just a cleaner phone. So remember, don't uninstall apps immediately. Clear the app data first, then uninstall. This simple trick keeps your Android phone cleaner, faster, and gives you more free space. Did you know about this hidden app cleanup method? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Android tips and tricks.